Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode, an unboxing of the very highly anticipated, well, at least for me anyway, the Zelos Skyraider 2. So very excited about that. Let me just unpack it here. And I am joined by my kitty, Lucifer. He's also excited. That's his name. His name is Lucifer, but he is the sweetest cat ever. Very friendly, very dog-like in that way. So here we go. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, that came out of the sleeve actually pretty easily. Usually I always have a hard time with the few times I've had Zeloses on the channel with getting that box open. Ooh, so let's take a look. Now, okay. So a couple of pouches here this time. So they didn't give you the strap, I don't think, like they usually do. But they give you the roll, and it looks like a little travel goodie here. It does look like a smaller box. So, well, anyway. Wow, look at this. That is amazing. Now, I'm sort of confused a little bit here because I did order the dial with the meteorite dial. And yeah, okay. Oh, I see it. Okay. Let's at first look, it looks like a very dark blue dial. And when you see the pictures online, the meteor dial is very pronounced. But if you turn it to the side, it looks like you can see that meteorite dial and pattern. Okay. So I'm not really too familiar or too experienced with meteorite dials. The ones I've seen in person are, well, it looks like you are looking at a meteorite dial, but then again, they're not in this blue color. So perhaps that is, one of the things that you got to be aware of when you get this watch if you're doing the blue meteorite. Let's take a look at that 6498, which is one of my favorite movements of all time. Very cool. Now let's get this puppy going. Let's wind it up here. Oh yeah. And automatically you can see that seconds hand at the 6 o'clock position moving. Let's throw this on wrist now. It's not sized, but this is a fully titanium watch, save for the buckle here. This is a stainless steel here on the clasp. But very good looking watch. Yeah, good looking. I mean, I wish that, I gotta be honest with you, I wished the meteorite was a little bit more pronounced. Maybe that's an unrealistic expectation on my end, just because of what the pictures were like online on the site. But anyway, still pretty cool watch. Okay, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll be coming with you with a review video very soon. Have a good one, guys.